Welcome back to Advocacy, Alchemy with Professor Ross. We got a good one tonight, guys. This is Behind the Arrest, Navigating Aggravated Menacing, Misplaced Allegations, and Mental Health Indicators in Law Enforcement. This happened in Belleville, New Jersey. Let's watch the video, and we'll talk about the charges are harassment, simple assault, and aggravated assault on a law enforcement officer. We'll talk about these at the end. Let's enjoy the video.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, let me ask you guys this. We all understand that sometimes you come into a situation where you don't really know what's going on just yet. But when you see this situation, what do you all think? Now, I won't be stopping this video very often, but I want to ask that question because everything goes left and it's completely different than what we originally see. And that's how it is sometime in court too. How do you feel about this situation, seeing the scene as it is right now? All right, I'm going to let it play. We'll discuss at the very end.
Get on your knees. Get on your knees, put your hands above your head.
Via, let me get your flashlight. Hey, man, can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yo.
I'm good. Let him go.
I'm concerned about you. You're on the ground right now. What happened?
I'm good. Let him go, please.
We can't. That's not something we can do right now.
Okay, I'm just putting my hands up, okay?
That's fine.
I'm shifting to move my head around.
You're okay.
So I can face you.
You're okay.
Okay, but you don't know how these... I do not trust them. I do not trust them. I'm just telling you what I am doing.
There's nothing wrong. I'm trying to make sure you're okay. That's all.
I'm just trying to shift so I can talk to you.
Get up. That's fine.
I am not shifting. I am not shifting to do anything malicious towards you.
What happened? She hit you right in the nose?
Man, look, I was just trying to get her home. She got drunk. She got a little mad.
You got blood all over your lips. What's going on with that? That's your blood, right?
Yeah, I was just trying to get her home. She got drunk. She got a little mad.
You got blood all over your lips. What's going on with that? That's your blood, right?
Yeah.
Nah,
we can't.
Did she punch you in the face?
Man, look, we just had a little altercation. It wasn't nothing serious, but she's just a little intoxicated. That's what it was.
She's just going to help you up. She's going to help you up, and we'll walk out front.
Still down. I am cooperating.
Yes, we appreciate that. She's just going to help you up, and you stand up, and we're going to walk you right out front.
What I want you to do is stand
I
up
am
for me.
standing up.
Thank
Do
you.
not do anything towards me or him.
Definitely
because I am cooperating.
Thank you for that. We appreciate that.
You need help? I can help you up.
Do not do anything towards him. I am cooperating. Ma'am, I am not doing anything malicious. I am just crying, surrendering. I am not doing anything
do you live here?
suspicious.
Do you live in this house?
My hands are up.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, do you live
My
in this
hands
house?
are gonna stay up, so you cannot say anything against me. My hands are up. I am cooperating with you guys.
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
So do not put some law that I did not cooperate with you guys because I am cooperating with you guys. Do you want me to lay out across the pavement to show you my hands are up? No, I just want you to sit there. Well, I would do it anyways because this motherfucker is putting his gloves on, right? I don't give a officer. I am cooperating with you right now.
You want to cooperate with us?
I do not give a how drunk I am, but I know what's wrong and what's wrong. I am cooperating with you, officer. She sees that right now.
If you want to cooperate with me, then you will just stay and be quiet right now, all right?
That's it. Whatever the f you're saying to do, I am doing.
I know that, but you got to relax then, because
You
you're
know
loud.
that, right?
We got people sleeping, you're loud.
I don't give a f
You're
if
not-
you know that
that's
I
not-
am cooperating.
That's not cooperating.
Are you putting me
In cuffs?
exactly?
Because you're not cooperating.
I am cooperating with you.
You know what
officer.
cooperating is? Yeah, she's inebriated. We just need her to just get checked out because she's been drinking and she's very verbally abusive to us right now. I don't have none of the information yet. Does she have any?
Yeah, why I'm verbally abusive to us cops right now? Because you us. That's why.
Relax.
That they us.
Baby,
You us.
Well, he's EMS. He's here to help you. He's
White
EMS.
people. Us.
I am EMS. You want to
I do not give a.
You want to
You
get
are
checked out?
still
You want to get checked out? You want to get checked out? I'm
You
just saying
still
that no.
get
You don't want to get checked out. You gotta
You
get
put me down here.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
Come on.
Yes, you did.
Can you?
You know I am in handcuffs, so you put me down here. That's what you do.
No, I don't do that. Come on,
Yes,
get up.
you do.
Be a woman and get up. Come on.
Be a woman? You put me down here.
Sit inside.
Be a woman?
Yeah.
You don't put me down here. You.
To get inside the vehicle now. That's why.
You got my cuffs too tight. Put them on you. Well, that's your fault. Okay. You should be on that.
If you get up on it, I'll loosen them up. If they are tight, I can check them. Just gotta get out. I have to get on the thing. No,
You're
man.
lying. I don't trust cops.
All
I don't
right. You don't have
trust
to trust me.
pigs, especially that look like you.
You know you're under arrest, right?
Pigs. I don't trust nobody that looks like you. You know how crazy that is?
All right.
People that look like me that don't trust each other. You know how crazy that looks? Yeah, I hope candy. White pigs.
Stop. Don't spit.
Babe, chill,
Ma'am,
please.
stop
Babe,
it.
chill. They gonna start tweaking if you don't chill, babe.
Ma'am. I'm telling you right now, ma'am.
Step away.
If you spit, if you spit on the
I
police
don't
car,
give a
you're not in charge of criminal. All right, all right. Here, step back, sir, please.
Babe,
Come on,
get in
stay in the car.
Bro, I just,
Come on.
Please don't.
I'm in the car with the pigs! Ah! The pig farm! I hope y'all get slaughtered in this. Ah, we in the pig farm! Pig farm! Fight me without no armor. With just your hands. See what you do then. You'll fold cause you ain't. Tu familia, pendejo! Pendejo! What about you? Karen? What about you? You can't handle the pressure? Karen! Female. Don't touch me. Female only. Do not touch me. Do not
Listen,
touch me.
I'm not playing these games, all right? Listen.
And you think I am?
Come on.
Cerdo?
Stop it.
You think I am? Cerdo! 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 Cerdo!
Leave her cuffed. Let's take off cuffs.
Just leave her cuffed until she calms down.
Cerdo! Cerda! You! 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 I don't listen to no cops. I do not listen to no like you. No pigs.
It's not me that's locked up, it's you.
You're still the pig though.
I'd rather be out here than in there, though.
You're still the pig though. You're still that's the. I'd rather be out here than there. What makes you think you're better than me? Like what makes you think that you are better than me? That's what I don't get. That's what's so funny to me. Pendejos! Cerdos! Pendejos! Cerdos! Pendejos! You think you're better than everybody else just because you got a gun? Catch me outside without a gun. catch me outside without nothing. See what's up then? Nothing. You'd be flat out on the floor because you ain't shit without the authority, without the government by your side. Pendeja. Si no me entiendes. Pendeja. Double blink twice because this is what it's at. ¡Cerdos! ¡Cerdos! Pendejos! You're supposed to be helping our people. What are you doing? You with the enemy. Cerda! Pendeja! You stupid as They ain't gonna tell you. They ain't never gonna pay you white man salary. At the end of the day, you Spanish just like me. Alright, officer, you gotta respect me. Cause you stood up to me. Most officers don't, cause I tell it how it is, straight to their face.
So hear me out. The witness...
I'm listening.
Okay. So the witness told us what happened from what she said, right? When we got there, the reason we put your boyfriend in handcuffs is because... Oh, just listen to me. You don't have to pay attention to him.
Him. That's what I'm saying.
The reason we put your boyfriend in handcuffs was because when we first got there, he was on top of you.
Yeah, I was talking to you, officer. The female officer, I was talking to you, officer. But you f***ed up by bringing that motherfucker in here. Now you're not gonna get from me.
He's my partner.
Yeah, he f***ed up. He f***ed all the way up. I hope you go to hell. I hope you go to hell. Big.
I'll be right back.
What do you have?
I'll let you know.
What do you have? Shit, tell me something new. Exactly, you have the same too. Try again. We got some new shit. Hey, yo, Hernandez, tell your partner to come up with some new shit. Not smart, pendejo. Not smart, Carlos. Hernandez. Ain't nobody listen to no pigs. You know why? Cause y'all killed too many of us. That's why. Y'all killed too many of us. Too many. Too many. So you know what's coming for you? Award. That's what's coming for you, pigs. You heard it from me first. Pigs. Ah! Y'all think y'all can kill African Americans and get away with it? Ah! You thought you might be safe right now in your little cubby, in your little office right now, but watch what happens next. You better get your papers before the gringos start looking into you, and then they turn towards you because you're not an immigrant. That's how the government works. They don't give a f*** about you. Hey yo, that you're next. I'm coming after you, that Oh, I see a nerve striking. Hey, I see a nerve striking. I see a nerve striking. I see that man popping. You want to see some coochie? Well, you use that. I got some for you too, that.
So apparently she acted that way for about 2 hours, and then they took her to the hospital to be further evaluated because they felt that she showed the signs of having something more than just being drunk.
Man, talk to me again.
He said you
Say
can
that
go.
to
I'm
me
going to follow
again.
up.
Say that to me again. Say that to me again.
No, we go to the hospital. So you
Say that to me again.
Is someone going to follow up?
Stop, man.
Say that to me again. Say it to me again. Say it to me again.
Yeah.
Try it.
I'll help. I'll grab the front.
All right, come on, here, move at the end. Come on.
Mess with me, bitch. I will f*** you up.
Come on. Just get up.
F*** you up.
Come on.
Every single one of y'all. I don't give a f*** however many cops y'all there are. I will f*** all of y'all up. Y'all get that?
Come on. You gotta get up. Come on, little girl. Come on.
Little girl, this For that? The little girl, you said, right? You don't know what these psycho ass people did to me last time I was here.
Oh shit, I'm gonna be.
No, you're not. Stop lying to me.
Was it at this hospital? You been to this hospital before? Was it here?
Like, I'm gonna answer you. Yes,
not
it was
wrong,
this
like-
hospital. That motherfuckers jumped me for no reason. And they put me
She ain't
in
wrong about you, though,
solitary
Mike.
room.
She ain't wrong.
I am gonna report y'all. Y'all are gonna get sued.
Okay, so how do you guys feel about that one? All right, that's a intense situation, and it's not one where I would want to be a police officer having to deal with people firsthand as they are, one, drunk all the time, or you don't know, and you have to do an assessment of whether people need to have some different level of services versus just receiving help from a paramedic. Let's take a look at the law, and we'll discuss a couple other pieces from the video in a second. So let's take a look at the law here. First, we have harassment. All right, it says that harassment is codified under the NJSA 2C colon 33-4. All right, so that's probably, the way you say it is probably Title 2C, Section 33, Chapter 4. I believe that's how they would probably say that. All right, which outlines specific behaviors considered unlawful when performed with the intent to harass another individual. It says the statute specifies that a person commits a petty disorderly person's offense if, with purpose to harass another, they make or cause to be made one or more communications anonymously, or at extremely inconvenient hours, or in offensively coarse language, or any other manner likely to cause annoyance or alarm. All right, the offensive language is going to be the part they probably went under. B, subject another to striking, kicking, shoving, or other offensive touching, or threaten to do so. All right, she did punch her boyfriend in the mouth, so this might go in with this and also the domestic battery. C, engaging in any other course of alarming conduct or of repeatedly committed acts with purpose to alarm or seriously annoy such other persons. All right, it says the communication under subsection A may be deemed to have been made either at the place where it originated or at the place where it was received. All right, the penalties. All right, remember it's a petty disorderly person's offense. All right, that means like basically a low level misdemeanor, very low level. All right, it carries fine, potential jail time. However, certain circumstances can elevate the offense. All right, it's a 4th degree crime if the individual was serving a term of imprisonment or was on parole or probation as a result of a conviction on any indictable offense, or knowingly direct such actions to a current or former judge related to the performance of the judge's public duties. The offense is escalated to a 4th degree crime. All right, they also talk about cyber harassment here and some legal considerations. Let's go down to the New Jersey law for. Okay, so you see my search was for domestic battery law in New Jersey, and they pull back that the term is everything is under assault. All right, so we go under the assault offenses, and we have simple assault, we have aggravated assault. They start at New Jersey or the NJSA I think that's New Jersey statutes annotated 2C:12-1. The assault offenses are categorized as follows. So you have simple assault, and that's when you attempt to cause or purposely, knowingly, or recklessly cause bodily injury to another. You have when you negligently cause bodily injury to another with a deadly weapon, or the attempt to physical menace, put another in fear of imminent serious bodily injury. Simple assault is generally classified as a disorderly person's offense. So that's sort of like a misdemeanor. Everywhere else it uses the term misdemeanor. It's a low-level offense that probably carries just a fine most of the time. And let's see. Well, I guess if it was a petty disorderly person's offense, then it would be just a fine. As a disorderly person's offense, it could carry some jail time, probably nothing more than about 30 days or so. Aggravated assault is the more serious one. Aggravated assault, this offense includes more severe actions such as attempting to cause serious bodily injury, purposely or knowingly, and it's the causing bodily injury with a deadly weapon, or committing simple assault on certain protected individuals like law enforcement officers, healthcare workers, while they're performing their duties. Aggravated assault can range from a fourth degree to a second degree crime, depending on the circumstances. Let's see. Look at this Prevention of Domestic Violence Act of 1991. All right, it says 2C:25-17 provides protections for victims of domestic violence and outlines specific offenses that constitute domestic violence when committed against a person protected under the Act. These offenses include assault, harassment, stalking, and others. The Act allows victims to seek restraining orders and other legal remedies. Let's see, victims of domestic violence in New Jersey can pursue both civil and criminal remedies. The civil remedies are the victims can file for restraining orders to prevent further abuse. Let's see, a temporary restraining order, a TRO, can be obtained quickly after a hearing, and it may be converted into a final restraining order, a FRO. The FRO can include provisions such as prohibiting the abuser from contacting the victim, granting temporary custody of children, and requiring the abuser to pay support. All right, let's look at the criminal remedies. Victims can file criminal charges against the abuser for offenses like assault or harassment. Convictions can result in penalties including fines, probation, or imprisonment. All right, let's look at the, if I search specifically for New Jersey law for battery on a law enforcement officer, as you can see, it brings back the statute is 2C:1B5a. All right. It classifies such conduct as aggravated assault. This statute applies when an individual commits a simple assault upon a law enforcement officer who is performing official duties, is in uniform, or is exhibiting evidence of authority. All right, definitions and classifications. All right, simple assault was found under 12-1A. All right. Aggravated assault on a law enforcement officer is when the simple assault is committed against the officer under the specified conditions. This is a third-degree crime if the officer suffers bodily injury. It's a fourth-degree crime if no bodily injury occurs. All right, so with her, the assault on a police officer would be when she was, sort of fighting with them, and she even made the comment that this little girl is handling you for grown men.
Come on, little girl.
Come on.
Little girl. Little girl. This little girl's giving y'all a hard time. Yeah.
So, when she was kicking and basically resisting arrest. Let's see. The third degree aggravated assault is punishable by 3 to 5 years in prison, a fine of up to $15,000. The fourth degree felony or the fourth degree aggravated assault is punishable by up to 18 months in prison, a fine of up to $10,000. All right. Let's see. Wow. All right. It says that it's important to note that these offenses carry a presumption of incarceration, meaning that even first-time offenders may face prison time upon conviction. All right. The prosecution must prove the defendant knew or should have known that the victim was a law enforcement officer performing their official duties. The officer must be acting within the scope of their duties and either in uniform or exhibiting evidence of their authority at the time of the assault. I think they meet those elements fairly easily. All right. All right. So with that, that's the law. Now going back to the indicators here, what do you think are the indicators that the officers were looking for when they finally said, okay, enough is enough. You've been acting like this, and we need to probably see if we can get you into the hospital? Was it when she, and I can only imagine because the video I have is it's only a little bit longer than what you all saw. There's only a couple pieces I had cut out from this video, but to act like that for a whole 2 hours straight, and as you can see how the room was set up once they set the body cam down, someone's desk is right there. I believe it's that woman was there watching her that 2 hours time in that cage while they're trying to get information from her. That's like the holding cell before you go back to the other cells. That's just to get information from you there. All right, so if you have any comments about this situation or this video, leave them below, and we can start a discussion. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. I will see you all in the next lecture. This is Advocacy Alchemy with Professor Ross. You all have a good evening.